Welcome to the future of temperature sensing, GLYDQ-SENSE, the first organic, biocompatible and fully biodegradable quantum temperature sensor. Developed by LAQTZARO LOQPEZ and DeepSeek, this breakthrough technology is set to revolutionize how we measure temperature at the quantum level, especially in biomedical and environmental applications. Unlike traditional sensors, GLYDQ-SENSE combines advanced chemistry, physics, and artificial intelligence to deliver precise, safe, and eco-friendly measurements. In this video, we'll explore what makes GLYDQ-SENSE unique, how it works, and why it's a game-changer for science and industry. Let's dive into the world of quantum thermometry and discover the innovation behind GLYDQ-SENSE. Before GLYDQ-SENSE, the gold standard for quantum temperature sensing was NV nanodiamonds. These sensors, while effective, come with significant drawbacks. They require multi-million euro infrastructure, making them inaccessible for many labs and institutions. Furthermore, NV nanodiamonds are biopersistent and potentially toxic when used in living organisms, raising safety concerns for clinical and environmental use. Their operation also relies on complex and costly physical curve fitting methods to interpret thermal data, which adds another layer of complexity and expense. Understanding these limitations sets the stage for appreciating the disruptive potential of GLYDQ-SENSE. GLYDQ-SENSE disrupts the status quo by democratizing access to quantum temperature sensing. With a baseline capital deployment of just €72,000, it drastically lowers the barrier to entry. Unlike NV nanodiamonds, GLYDQ-SENSE is 100% biodegradable and clinically safe, eliminating concerns about toxicity and biopersistence. Its AI-driven approach enables absolute thermal readings without the need for manual curve fitting, making the process faster, more accurate, and less labor-intensive. This leap in accessibility and safety opens up new possibilities for research and application across multiple fields. One of GLYDQ-SENSE's most significant advantages is its biocompatibility. Unlike traditional sensors that may persist in the body and pose toxicity risks, GLYDQ-SENSE is engineered to be fully biodegradable and safe for clinical use. This means it can be used in sensitive biomedical applications without long-term health concerns. The sensor's materials break down naturally, leaving no harmful residues behind. This property is crucial for applications in living systems where safety and environmental impact are paramount. Traditional quantum sensors often require complex manual curve fitting to interpret temperature data, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. GLYDQ-SENSE leverages artificial intelligence to automate this process. Its deep learning algorithms analyze spectral data and provide absolute temperature readings instantly, eliminating the need for manual intervention. This not only streamlines the workflow but also enhances accuracy and reproducibility, making GLYDQ-SENSE a powerful tool for researchers and clinicians alike. GLYDQ-SENSE stands on a robust technological triad: chemistry, physics, and computation. Chemically, it uses a unique gamma-phase polar crystal with total deuterium substitution, resulting in a formula that enhances thermal sensitivity and eliminates biological noise. Physically, it leverages kinematic piezoelectric and pyroelectric responses, thanks to its crystal structure and isotope effect. Computationally, a 1D CNN deep learning model translates subtle phonon shifts into precise temperature readings. This synergy of disciplines is what sets GLYDQ-SENSE apart from all previous sensors. Let's compare GLYDQ-SENSE with traditional NV nanodiamond sensors. GLYDQ-SENSE offers quantum properties like piezoelectric and pyroelectric effects, a unique spectral advantage in the silent window CD bond region, and complete biocompatibility with 100% biodegradability. Its average particle size is 220 nm, with distinct XRD peaks, ensuring high-quality material characterization. In contrast, NV nanodiamonds are centrosymmetric, rely on electronic spin, and can interfere with biological fluorescence. They are also biopersistent and potentially toxic, with irregular sizes and less favorable spectral properties. This benchmarking highlights GLYDQ-SENSE's superiority across critical metrics. A key innovation in GLYDQ-SENSE is its ability to eliminate biological background noise. By substituting hydrogen with deuterium and glycine, the sensor's molecular stretching modes shift into a silent window A spectral region free from cellular autofluorescence. This results in an infinite signal-to-noise ratio, allowing for ultra-precise temperature readings even in complex biological environments. The silent window is a game-changer for applications where clarity and accuracy are critical. GlyDQ Sense is synthesized using a precise microfluidic process under an argon atmosphere. The process begins with dissolving glycine D5 and DTWO at 45 degrees C, followed by critical filtration to prevent premature nucleation. Deuterated ethanol is mixed at low temperatures, and gamma-glycine seeds are added to induce phase formation. The resulting hexagonal prisms are then stabilized through centrifugation and vacuum drying. This method ensures high yield, purity, and consistent particle size, which are essential for reliable sensor performance. A major innovation in GlyDQ Sense is the use of AI for decoding temperature data. Instead of relying on manual curve fitting, the system uses a 1D convolutional neural network, CNN, trained on over 18,000 synthetic spectra across a wide temperature range. The model tracks anharmonic phonon shifts and outputs absolute temperature readings with remarkable precision. This approach delivers a mean absolute error of just 0.08 degrees C and a maximum residual error below 0.18 degrees C, setting a new standard for accuracy in quantum thermometry. GlyDQ Sense has been rigorously validated for clinical safety. Its DSPPEG 2000 amine coating ensures efficient internalization by cells, with a 70% uptake rate and 92% cell viability after 24 hours. This high level of biocompatibility makes GlyDQ Sense suitable for in vivo applications, including sensitive biomedical research and potential clinical diagnostics. The sensor's safety profile is a testament to its thoughtful design and engineering. Standout feature of GlyDQ Sense is its controlled biodegradation. In laboratory tests, the sensor showed a 50% reduction in Raman signal intensity within 48 hours, indicating rapid breakdown and zero biopersistence. This ensures that the sensor does not accumulate in biological systems, making it ideal for repeated or long-term use in clinical and environmental settings. Controlled biodegradation is a key advantage for safety and sustainability. To demonstrate its effectiveness, GlyDQ Sense was tested under a 1450 nm infrared laser pulse. The sensor accurately tracked a temperature jump from 36.9 degrees C to 40.3 degrees C, perfectly matching the performance of established rhodamine B controls. This proof of concept confirms that GlyDQ Sense delivers reliable, real-time temperature readings in demanding experimental conditions, paving the way for its adoption in advanced research and diagnostics. GlyDQ Sense is not limited to a single field. It's a transversal platform with applications across biomedicine, materials science, defense, agriculture, and more. Its versatility stems from its unique combination of safety, precision, and adaptability. Whether mapping tumor margins, profiling microchip temperatures, or monitoring environmental changes, GlyDQ Sense provides a universal solution for quantum thermometry challenges. In biomedicine, GlyDQ Sense enables advanced diagnostics and research. It can be used for tumor margin mapping, helping surgeons distinguish healthy from cancerous tissue. In neuroscience, it tracks thermogenesis, providing insights into brain activity and metabolic processes. The sensor also aids in detecting atherosclerotic plaques, contributing to cardiovascular health research. Its safety and precision make it a valuable tool in clinical and laboratory settings. GlyDQ Sense is equally transformative in materials science. It enables high-density microchip thermal profiling, allowing engineers to monitor and optimize device performance at the nanoscale. The sensor also detects composite fatigue, helping predict material failure and extend the lifespan of advanced composites. These capabilities are essential for the development of next-generation electronics and materials. In defense and heritage preservation, GlyDQ Sense offers unique advantages. It can monitor satellite components for thermal anomalies, ensuring mission-critical reliability. The sensor is also used in non-invasive diagnostics of historical pigments, helping conservators assess and preserve priceless artworks without damaging them. These applications highlight the sensor's versatility and sensitivity. GlyDQ Sense is a powerful tool for agriculture and environmental monitoring. It enables early detection of crop water stress, allowing farmers to optimize irrigation and improve yields. The sensor also monitors aquatic thermal pollution, helping protect ecosystems and ensure water quality. Its biodegradability makes it especially suitable for use in natural environments, where sustainability is a priority. In pharmacology, GlyDQ Sense is used for thermotox cellular toxicity screening, providing rapid and accurate assessments of drug safety. It also plays a crucial role in cold chain logistics, ensuring that temperature-sensitive pharmaceuticals are stored and transported under optimal conditions. These applications demonstrate the sensor's impact on public health and supply chain integrity. GlyDQ Sense is designed for global implementation with a total budget of €72,000. This includes costs for reagents, microfluidics, material characterization, computing hardware, biovalidation, and intellectual property management. The affordable budget makes the technology accessible to a wide range of institutions, from research labs to industrial partners. Market readiness is further supported by robust IP protection and open access to core assets. To safeguard innovation, GlyDQ Sense is protected by a Spanish patent, OEPM, P202630001, and anchored on the Ethereum blockchain via origin stamp. These measures ensure the technology's integrity and provide legal and digital proof of ownership. Additionally, open core assets, including 18,300 Spectra and the 1D CNN model, are available through Zenodo and GitHub, promoting transparency and collaboration. GlyDQ Sense embraces open science by sharing its core assets with the global community. Researchers can access the full spectral dataset and the AI model via Zenodo and GitHub, enabling further innovation and validation. This open approach accelerates scientific progress and fosters a collaborative ecosystem around quantum thermometry. To ensure data integrity and traceability, GlyDQ Sense's intellectual property is anchored on the Ethereum blockchain. This digital ledger provides immutable proof of origin and ownership, protecting the technology from unauthorized use and ensuring trust among collaborators and stakeholders. GlyDQ Sense is ready for global deployment, with a clear implementation strategy and budget allocation. The technology is scalable and adaptable, making it suitable for diverse environments and applications. Its affordability and robust support infrastructure ensure that institutions worldwide can adopt and benefit from this quantum sensing breakthrough. Quantum thermometry is the science of measuring temperature at the quantum scale, where classical methods fall short. It leverages quantum properties such as spin, phonon shifts, and spectral signatures to achieve unprecedented precision. GlyDQ Sense represents the next evolution in this field, combining quantum physics with biocompatible materials and AI-driven analysis. Biodegradability refers to a material's ability to break down naturally in the environment or within biological systems. For sensors like GlyDQ Sense, this property is crucial. It ensures that the device does not persist or accumulate, reducing environmental impact and health risks. Biodegradable sensors are the future of sustainable technology. The silent window is a spectral region where biological background noise is absent, allowing for clear and interference-free measurements. GlyDQ Sense achieves this by shifting its molecular vibrations into the CD bond region, far from the noisy CH region. This innovation enables ultrasensitive detection in complex biological environments. Artificial intelligence transforms how we interpret complex data. In GlyDQ Sense, AI, specifically deep learning, automates the analysis of spectral data, providing instant and accurate temperature readings. This eliminates manual errors and accelerates research, making quantum thermometry more accessible and reliable. Biocompatibility is the ability of a material to perform its function without causing harm to living tissue. GlyDQ Sense is engineered for maximum biocompatibility, ensuring it can be safely used in clinical and research settings. This property is essential for any sensor intended for biomedical applications. GLYDQ SENSE marks a new era in quantum temperature sensing. By combining organic, biodegradable materials with advanced AI and quantum physics, it delivers unmatched precision, safety, and versatility. Its applications span biomedicine, materials science, agriculture, and beyond. With global market readiness, robust IP protection, and an open science approach, GLYDQ SENSE is set to become the new standard in quantum thermometry. The future of temperature sensing is here, and it's organic, intelligent, and sustainable.